Hello dear fans. What is geology? Geology, geo, earth, logos word, is a complex of sciences about the structure, composition, history of the development of the earth and the earth's crust. The area of study of geology is almost everything that surrounds us: mountains, seas, natural complexes and minerals, tectonic changes, and even the planets of the solar system. Instructions. Step 1. The origins of geology date back to antiquity and are associated with the very first information about rocks, ores, and minerals. The term geology was introduced by the Norwegian scientist M. P. Escolt in 1657, and it emerged as an independent branch of natural science at the end of the 18th century. The turn of the 19th to 20th centuries was marked by a qualitative leap in the development of geology, its transformation into a complex of sciences in connection with the introduction of physico-chemical and mathematical research methods. Step 2. Modern geology includes many of its constituent disciplines, revealing the secrets of the earth in various fields. Volcanology, crystallography, mineralogy, tectonics, petrography. This is not a complete list of independent branches of geological science. Moreover, geology is closely related to areas of applied importance: geophysics, tectonophysics, geochemistry, etc. Step 3. Geology is often called the science of dead nature, in contrast to biology. Of course, the changes taking place with the stone shell of the earth are not so obvious and take centuries and millennia in time. It is geology that tells about how our planet was formed and what processes took place on it during many years of its existence. The science of geology tells in detail about the modern face of the earth, created by geological figures: wind, cold, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions. Step 4. The practical importance of geology for human society can hardly be overestimated. She is engaged in the study of the earth's interior, allowing you to extract minerals from them, without which human existence would be impossible. Humanity has come a long way of evolution from the stone period to the age of high technologies. And every step he took was accompanied by new discoveries in the field of geology, which brought tangible benefits for the development of society. Step 5. Geology can also be called a historical science, because it can be used to track changes in the composition of soil, rocks, minerals. By studying the remains of living things that inhabited the planet thousands of years ago, geology provides answers to questions about when these species inhabited the earth and why they became extinct. By the composition of the fossils, one can judge the sequence of events that took place on the planet. The path of development of organic life over millions of years is imprinted in the layers of the earth, which are studied by the science of geology. Thanks for watching.